Hey everybody, I've currently been working on a 67 Chevy two-wheel drive truck. I've been working on the frame. I shortened it from a long bed to a short bed. I'm currently waiting for suspension pieces, so I thought I'd get the cab inside and start working on the rust, see what we have to deal with on that. I'm building a stand for the cab so I can roll it around in the garage so it's not in the way and it's easier to work on. Yeah, so it's been kind of a pain in the butt trying to lift this thing by myself, but I managed to do it. There's the stand, and there she is. So let's look at the progress. Let's open up the rocker and see what's inside. It always looks a lot better until you cut it open and then you see the real mess. Okay, here I've got the inner rocker cut out as close as I want to be. Now I want to fit it up, make sure everything's going to fit, and just keep trimming until we get it. Just little pieces at a time. Seem to fit fairly decent right there. Just trying to work around the rest of the rusty pieces. I just want to make sure everything fits up really nice. Only want to do this once. I've got the outer rocker just clamped on. I just want to make sure everything's fitting before I tack or do anything. I want it to be, you got to be sure, because once you start welding stuff in, then you got to cut it out. And so I just want to get everything dry fitted as close as I can, and then we'll just kind of manipulate it as we go. Here I've got the A pillar and the B pillar replaced. I didn't record anything with me having them cut off. So yeah, here they are welded on. I've coated everything with a weld through primer so that everything inside is coated. That's just tacked in place right there while I get the nuts on for the cab support. Here I've got the inner rocker punched for my spot welds and coated so that it's primed, ready for the outer rocker to go on. Here I have the door fitted on the truck. without the outer rocker, just the inner rocker. Once again, just to make sure everything fits up, my pillars are in the right place, everything's gonna line up. Now I've got it fitted up with the outer rocker on. Make sure that my gap, everything lines up perfect, and then we can get this thing welded in.